Hello there. So let's talk about how to use Coohom application. Basically, it's going to be a designing, modeling, visualizing, home design made easy. And this is how it should look like inside. It looks like an architecture project, an engineering project made easy. A much more easier way to design houses, buildings, etc. And it's also going to be for beginners. A free user interface that's really easy to learn, starting from floor planner up to kitchen design. Also, it has AI inside. It's a simple drag and drop of a mouse can really uphold and uplift your skills. And here also it offers a free plan. However, it also has the paid version as well. You can also download the application itself for your PC, for your MacBook, etc. Or you can utilize the website version. Speaking about the prices, here is going to be the pricing for this application. I think it starts around $40 if I'm not mistaken. It has the Kumo Elite and Coohom Pro for that one. Monthly subscription right there, annual, 1 year, and 1 month. You can cancel anytime, by the way. And basically, these are going to be the differences in the features. If I can load up some more, here are they. So I'm going to show you what's going to be inside. Let me just go to it right now. So basically, this is how it should look like inside. Left side, you have the floor plans, models, advanced tools, render, up to AI. However, before you click on render, you're going to have a floor plan, of course. If I click on rectangle right there, with one simple click of a mouse, I can create and simply have my floor plan on my screen.